Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Taurus versus the Nissan Maxima. We'll explore their distinct characteristics, helping you understand which vehicle might better suit your needs. We'll look at everything from engine options to interior amenities, giving you a comprehensive overview of these two popular sedans. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of their strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to performance, both the Taurus and Maxima offer robust V6 engines, providing ample power for daily driving and highway cruising. The Maxima often leans into a sportier feel with its suspension and handling, while the Taurus typically prioritizes a smoother, more composed ride. We'll delve into how these differences impact your time behind the wheel. Inside, both sedans offer comfortable and spacious environments, but their approaches to technology and design differ. The Taurus often features a more traditional layout, while the Maxima tends to have a more driver-focused cockpit with advanced infotainment. We'll compare their available safety features, cargo capacity, and the overall quality of their interior materials to help you decide. Finally, let's talk about long-term value and reliability. Both the Ford Taurus and Nissan Maxima have their merits, but ownership costs, maintenance, and resale value can vary. Understanding these factors is crucial for making an informed decision. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money, plus other deals. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities, whether it's performance, comfort, or overall value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.